Today we are going to be learning about the coordinate plane. Many of you have worked with it before, but as a reminder, what is the coordinate plane? Coordinate plane is a grid formed by the x and y axis. In the picture below, my x-axis is the horizontal axis, so I'm going to label that. And my y-axis is my vertical. Whenever you're graphing, your x will always be the horizontal axis and your y will always be the vertical. In the coordinate plane, we have 4 quadrants. We start labeling with the upper right quadrant. So the upper right will be our first quadrant. Our second quadrant is the upper left. Then we move down to our third quadrant. And last but not least, we have the fourth quadrant in the lower right-hand side. What is an ordered pair? An ordered pair is a location on our coordinate plane. When we talk about ordered pairs, they're always written the same way. First we list our x, which just as a reminder, the horizontal is our x-axis, and vertical is the y-axis. So first we list our x-coordinate, and then our y-coordinate. An important ordered pair that's always the same is the origin. The origin is the point 0, 0. So right here on our coordinate plane, it is always where the x-axis and y-axis intersect. Ordered pairs in the first quadrant will always be a positive x, positive y. In our second quadrant, we will have a negative x, as you can see right here, and positive y. In the third quadrant, we will have negative x, negative y. And the fourth quadrant, we will have a positive x, as you can see right here, and a negative y. So looking at the ordered pairs we can get an idea of where they're going to be when we plot them. Now we are going to plot ordered pairs on the coordinate plane. The first one we are going to plot is 1, 6. So 1 is my x-coordinate, so I know that I will be somewhere on this line because it's my x-axis. So if you want to draw a dashed line, or maybe just draw your finger along that line so you can tell which x line we're talking about. Our y-coordinate is 6, so I'm going to go up positive 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the point will be where those two intersect, so right here. I'm going to label that point A. Our next coordinate is 2, -1. So my x-coordinate, -2. I can draw my dashed line so I know where I am. My y is -1, so I'll go down to -1 on the y-axis. Draw my dashed lines. Where the two intersect is the point -2, -1. And that one we are calling B. I'll go through one more with you, and then you can finish the last two on your own. C, we have the point 5, -4. So first I need to find 5 on my x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be right here. And my y value is -4. So I will go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here at the intersection is the point C. I'm going to ask that you do D and E on your own and also label those. Your assignment for today is to complete the coordinate plane picture you got today during the seminar and have it completed by tomorrow at 9:45. Have fun drawing!